not just about glitz and glamour, but also controversies. There are many stories about catfights, fallouts and love affairs, out of which few come out in light and become a topic of national discussion. However, there are still many things in Bollywood which still remain a mystery. No matter how hard media tries, no one have answers for some questions. Let's check out 5 unanswerable questions of B-Town. Question number 1. Why did Abhishek Bachchan and Karishma Kapoor call off their marriage? Many might remember these two stars were madly in love and even got engaged. This love affair was said to be one of the biggest alliances between two powerful families of Bollywood. But out of the blue, the couple broke the engagement and went ahead with their lives. Till date, no one knows what went wrong between Abhishek and Karishma. Question 2. What is the real reason behind Salman Khan and Aishwarya Rai's breakup? Said to be one of the best and saddest love story of Bollywood, lot has been written about them. But when they broke up, it sent waves of shock across the nation. Every rumor targeted Salman, but neither of them cleared the air, leaving people curious. Question 3. What is the reason behind the infamous spat between Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan at Katrina Kaif's birthday party? Salman and Shah Rukh were always seen making fun of each other, yet were said to be best of friends. Their bond of love was even cashed by many filmmakers by casting them together in films. However, at Salman Khan's ex-girlfriend Katrina Kaif's birthday party in 2008, both the Khans had a major argument. Since then, it is considered to be one of the major fallouts of Bollywood. But sadly, the reason is not known to anybody. Question 4. Did Ranbir Kapoor really cheat on Deepika Padukone with Katrina Kaif? For Deepika, it was like a dream come true when Ranbir fell in love with her. Their relationship lasted for 2 long years before the couple parted ways. Deepika shocked the industry when she disclosed about Ranbir's philandering habits indirectly. Her condom comment too added fuel to the fire. It was said Ranbir, who got close to his co-star of Rajneeti, Katrina, cheated on Deepika and that's the reason he dumped her. However, the Kapoor boy always denied these stories. Question 5. Did Amitabh Bachchan really have an extramarital affair with Rekha? This is by far the biggest gossip of B-Town. Amitabh, who was already married to Jaya Bachchan, was said to be head over heels in love with Rekha. If rumors are to be believed, Jaya summoned Big B and finally had to leave Rekha for good. Since then, the couple never came face to face with each other, burying the story forever. Well, we are unable to find the truth behind all these stories. Do you have any answers? This is Sonal Vaikar for Rajshri.com.